great opportunity to interact with kids. We get to teach them about environmental issues and let them explore nature while they are playing. This week was all about solar energy.
It's a very special stone, coal.
For a while, wood and coal were it. Is that the best we can do? Are we leaving the balance the way it was? How can we do it better?
Solar panels.
Solar! We're going to play a game. One of you is gonna get to be the sun.
I was giving energy.
3 or 4 of you will be electrons.
I was an electron and I powered cars.
And the rest of you will get to be solar-powered cars.
I was one of the cars.
When you see the car frozen because it ran out of energy, electrons have to run to the cars and activate them again. Ready? 1, 2, The take-home message was that although solar-powered energy has its limitations, it is a great alternative to fossil fuels. And they are the minds that can push this technology to the next level.
These are incredible kids. The topics they're exploring so relevant. These are our future environmental scientists and engineers and activists, people who are going to change the world.
Next week, the students will take everything they've learned and put it all together in a performance that they get to create from scratch. They have decided to focus on the importance of recycling. These guys are pros. It's awesome.